Hello everyone! In today's video, we're going to walk through how to fix, set up, and customize your Shopify checkout page. Let's dive in. Before we get started, here's a quick preview of my store. This is a sample store, but when I go to the Buy It Now page, it leads to my basic checkout page. If you're interested, you can try Shopify for just $1 by clicking the link in the description. As you can see, the checkout page is pretty minimalistic, likely similar to the one you've seen before. I'm planning to customize it further, adding features like email collection and integrating other options. To get started, go to your Shopify store and open the settings section in the bottom left of your dashboard. From there, click on Checkout in the menu. You'll see options for customizing the style of your checkout page. Click Customize Checkout and you'll be able to adjust the appearance. While the customization options are limited, you can still change colors and background settings. For example, I'm adjusting the color palette right now, picking custom shades. Shopify offers a wide range of colors, so feel free to experiment until you find a combination that fits your store's style. Remember to save your changes as you go. Next, you can modify the typography by choosing from different fonts and adjust the font size to your preference. In the Layout section, you can tweak the buttons, content containers, and opacity. You can even embed apps like pop-ups or upsell options. Once you've made your changes, you'll be able to preview the new color scheme and layout on your checkout page. The updated look will be reflected when you click Buy It Now or Add to Cart. If you want to make further adjustments, return to the Settings section and click Checkout again. Under Customer Contact Method, I recommend small businesses use SMS updates instead of email, as customers often prefer quick, real-time notifications. Shopify allows you to integrate an SMS app, ensuring customers get updates on their orders instantly. Next, check out your notification settings where you can set up automated emails and invoices for customers. You can also choose to require customers to log in before purchasing, though I wouldn't recommend this for all businesses as it can limit sales. You can also manage which customer information fields to collect, like phone numbers or addresses. I suggest making phone numbers a required field for future SMS marketing. If you don't need the tipping page, you can skip it. In the Processing section, you can set your preferences to use the shipping address as the billing address by default. You can also choose to automatically fulfill orders once they're completed, notify customers about shipments, and even fulfill all orders, including those flagged as high fraud risk. Personally, I prefer to handle this manually, but you can automate these processes if you wish. Once your checkout settings are all set up, head to the Shopify App Store to explore additional integrations. Try searching for Checkout Page to find some great options. One of my favorite apps for boosting sales is After Sale Post-Purchase Upsell. There are plenty of other useful apps like pop-ups and instant checkouts that allow you to upsell during the checkout process. Once you add the upsell app to your store, you can install it and pin it to your dashboard for easy access. It will sync with your store data and you can start setting up upsell campaigns. For example, I like to use SMS upsells after a customer finishes their order. You can also set up cart upsells during checkout to boost your revenue. If you encounter any issues with your checkout page, go back to your settings, remove any apps or integrations, and reset the options to default. Then, you can re-add the apps, adjust post-purchase pages, and refine your checkout experience. That wraps up this video. Don't forget to try Shopify for just $1 by clicking the link in the description. Thanks for watching!